Hello, magandang hapon po. Ngayon ay 28 of February. Nasa last day na po tayo ng buwan ng Pebrero. At kami po ay nakahanda na para lumabas at maglakad-lakad. Dahil po the last few days ay umuulan dito. So parang may bagyo. Kaya ngayon nagpakita si magandang araw ngayon. Kaya kailangan nating ilabas ang mga bata at i-stretch ang ating mga legs at i-exercise ang mga paa. Iwas arthritis, ika nga. So, let's go. Samahan nyo kami. And dahil po lockdown ngayon dito sa Ireland, bawal pong mag-drive more than 5 kilometers kung saan ka nakatira, except po kung ikay magtatrabaho. So, dito po sa amin, kami po ay maswerte at malaki po ang pwedeng lakaran dito po around sa area namin. So, samahan nyo po kami at enjoy the walk. See you later. Yan na po. Tayo po ay maglalakad-lakad. At ito pong distance na lalakarin natin ng paikot is mga more or less 5 kilometers, 5.2 kilometers from sa bahay namin. Ikot lang po dito, area lang naman din namin to. So, ayan si Daddy, ang naka-orange. At kung napapansin nyo po, kami po ay nakasuot ng visibility vest na sinatawag nila. Ayan si Makulit na Jarius. Dahil po required po dito yan, pag kayo ay naglalakad, lalo na sa mga ganito na dinadaanan ng mga sasakyan na main road. Actually po mga farm road kasi to. Ayan, makikita nyo sa paligid. Kailangan magsuot ng visibility vest para na rin po sa mga safety na rin po ng mga naglalakad at para sa mga road users. Kahit po maliwanag at mataas ang araw, kailangan pa rin pong magsuot niyan kasi yung kulay mismo niyan na neon, para yan sa daylight, para makita ng mga nagdadrive na may naglalakad doon, lalo na sa mga blind corners na sinasabi, para iwas aksidente. Yung visibility naman na yan na reflectorize, para naman pag dumidilim na, at least pag nailawan ng ilaw ng sasakyan, alam nila na may tao at sila ang mismong iiwas sa'yo. Medyo okay naman ang mga nagdadrive dito, lalo na sa countryside, dahil alam nila na maraming naglalakad, lalo na sa panahon ngayon na wala ka mapuntahan dahil sarado lahat at lockdown dito sa Ireland. Ayan, lakad-lakad lang pang may time. Kung wala, sa bahay lang. Chance lang din namin lumabas ngayon kasi umuulan the last few days. Hello! So, ayan lang. Follow lang. At medyo malayo-layo ang ating lalakarin. Sundan nyo lang kami. Siyempre, mga background na sasakyan kasi mga incoming cars, maririnig nyo sa background. So, ganda lang ho dito maglakad kasi fresh ang hangin. Fresh ang hangin. Yan, isang napakagandang bahay. Yan ho pagmamay-ari ng landlord namin. Isa yung holiday homes na tinatawag. So, yan. Minsan nirerentahan namin yan pag may special occasion. Pag may malaking bisita, may mga bisitang marami, dyan kami nag-i-stay para accommodated lahat. So, ayun na yung tatlong Three Stooges. Nauuna na. Hindi naman kailangan madaliin ang lakad, mga ka-friendship. Kailangan relax lang. Wala naman tayong hinahabol. Kailangan lang natin ng fresh air. At kasi mga bata, from Monday to Friday, busy sila sa kanilang online classes. So, kailangan by weekend, makarelax-relax naman sila. Hirap na puro nakaupo at nakaharap lang sa computer. So, bukas balik na naman sa online classes. Kaya, tatabi lang tayo. Hindi sila mabilis, no? Kaya kailangan din nila ng fresh air. Para ma-distress naman sila sa mga homework na kailangan nilang gawin for the next week na naman ulit. Ayan po, naririnig nyo sa background ang kalembang ng parish church namin, and time check, it's 12 noon. 12 noon. So, walang mga tao masyado, pero mamaya tong hapon for sure maraming maglalakad-lakad. Inagapan lang namin ngayon kasi hindi natin alam, baka biglang magbago ang panahon dito, baka biglang bumuhos ang ulan at hindi na naman tayo matuloy makalabas. Dito kasi sa Ireland, ang tawag nila is ang country na may 4 seasons in a day. So, sa isang araw yan, pwedeng mag-snow, pwedeng umulan, at may spring at fall. So, but mostly dito, ulan talaga. How are you? Ayan po, may nakatsikahan lang. Natsikahan lang namin. Dito lang yan din, mga kalapit barrio kung tawagin, sa countryside. Kasi ang mga tao dito sa countryside, unlike sa city, kakakilala dito, mag-anak. So, sila magkakakilala. Kami din dito, kilala kami, pero minsan kilala kami pero hindi namin sila kilala. And, kasi sa area namin dito, kami lang ang Filipino family. So, kaya kilala kami more than knowing them. Hi, how are you? So, kailangan mga friendly mga tao dito. Hindi ka pwedeng naglalakad dito na may nakasalubong na hindi ka mag-hello at mag-hi. So, city life, mas maganda ang countryside life kasi mga tao dito, mga heartwarming, mga pagtanggap sa inyo. Sa city kasi sa sobrang laki ng crowd, kanya-kanya walang pakialaman. Dito sa countryside, nagtutulungan yan. Yan ang kinagandahan ng countryside living. Although medyo malayo sa syudad at malayo sa mga, you know, mga shops. Pero mas maganda pa rin. I would prefer to live here. Hindi mo naman kailangan mag-shopping all the time eh. So,
What color is that?
That's all.
Crescent?
My hair is shiny.
very shiny.
It's like a lavender, yeah? It's like a lavender.
It's not lavender.
Lavender's lighter.
Lighter. You what do you call that one?
What?
What do you call that? Kind of like the same color as the lavender plant.
Lilac.
No,
Like
no.
that. You see
There's
flowers
another.
there.
Lavender.
Something like that in the flowers. It's the same color.
No, but there's difference from lavender. Yeah.
Lavender's
Ayan po. Ang mga anak ko kasi, nag-i-English yan. Nakakaintindi silang Tagalog. Pero yung mga basic Tagalog. But they can understand us. So, pag tinanong mo sila at sa Tagalog, sasagot sila sa English. So, at least, naintindihan nila. Hindi mo sila maibenta. So, ganun lang yun. Kaya minsan, pag nagsisermon, hindi pa hirapan. Sermonan mo lang ng Tagalog. Diba? Hindi ko pa mahirapan. But of course, dapat dahan-dahan kasi may mga words din sila na hindi pa nila na-encounter or narinig. Because at home, nag-uusap naman kaming Tagalog, sometimes English. So, para at least marunong naman sila. So, if they decided to live in the Philippines, eh, hindi naman sila manibago sa language natin. So, actually, the sun, oh my God, look at that.
I want it to be summer.
Ganda na. Actually, what is this, the temperature today? Can you check it?
9, 8, 7, 10.
What's the temperature today, Jar? Tell us after there.
It's like 9.
Oh, so update lang po. Today, Sunday, temperature, outside temperature is?
9, I think.
It's 9 to 10 degrees.
Yeah.
Usually, mga 9 to 10 kung mahangin,
Yeah,
eh,
it's 9 degrees. What are those?
malamig. Pero at dahil po
That.
nakalabas ang araw ngayon at maaraw, nako-compensate ng araw yung lamig niya. Kaya, step on the side now, there's a car coming. Kaya, ito ang kagandahan sa paglakad. Mapapawisan ka. Kasi most of the time, lamig ang sumasalubong dahil nga sa breeze na mahampas sa mukha mo. So, what is that? Oh. So, ahabalog. Can you pronounce that? Can you read that?
Ahabalog.
Yeah? Next.
Fall tiga Ahabalog.
What does it mean? That is
Welcome
Irish?
to Ahabalog.
Okay. So, yan ang aming area, Ahabalog. So, from this sign, going that way, Ahabalog area na. So, from this sign on, ito ay papunta na ng, where is it? Where is this heading to? Aghaverin now, isn't it? Going to Aghaverin. Huwag mo na ano mainit.
Dromashimor.
Dromatimor is the whole, what's that?
Dromatimor.
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 Mommy, look.
Wow, look. Ganda.
I want it to be summer.
Tingnan niyo.
Wait, 1 month? Tomorrow's only March. That means it's gonna be Aoife's birthday in 20 days.
Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
Yes.
Hey.
Oh, I can't see it because it's way far too up, like far too high. Yan, mga farm. Yan. Alam niyo ho ba dito, trivia lang. Ang tinatawag ng mga farmer dito, sila ang mayayaman. Kasi sila ang nagmamay-ari ng mga lupain nila. Yan. Ano mo? Sila ang nagmamay-ari ng kanilang lupain na sinasaka. Sila talaga ang tinuringan ditong mayayaman dahil they own the land. So, At saka pamilya lang ang nag-aasikaso ng mga farm nila. So it is only just passed on from one generation to other generation. As you can see, yeah. Kami po ay napapaligiran ng puro farm. Kaya napaka fresh ang hangin. Napakatahimik. Minsan nga akala niya walang tao. Pero meron naman. Mga nasa loob lang ng bahay. Anak, you go ahead daw. Sila Killian, that's Killian, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's house of Killian, yeah.
After I hear like a familiar voice.
They're playing.
Come on.
Cormac, the brother.
Come on.
The brother.
Killian's brother.
His brother. Alright. So, yan. Diba? May kumatahol pa na aso. Ayan po. Tabi. Just watch out for the mud in case. We have to go. We have to try to cross to the other side. Yeah, but the car is coming from behind. So at least You have to start turning. Nearly home. Imagine that one. It's big bike. You better start doing, huh? You better have to learn na how to, para by summertime, I'll buy you the big bike na.
What about my fishing rod?
Oh yeah, I'll buy you the fishing rod when it's time for fishing again. That would be in July or June. No, you can buy. You're very good in fishing,
I want
right?
to fish now.
No, you can't fish now. There's still no fish. Yeah,
I thought there's
the month of
fish
fishing
every
is
month.
no
What month did we fish?
June, July,
No.
and it was late
I thought
September.
we did March.
Late September. No, it wasn't March. No fish available in March. So we start fishing around July.
I
August,
get-
September will be the latest.
I get back.
Oh, look, tingnan mo yung bahay ng
I get it back.
best friend ni Ate Jimay. Ganda, di ba?
I get it back.
Ah, ganda yan. Yan ang maganda dito. Oh, may stream. Parang oh.
Okay, I get it. It's playing. Come on.
Ayan po, tayo po ay nasa halfway na. Halfway na ng ating walk.
Like that, here. At the side. Not here. If you're not safe there. If
nangangalahati na tayo. Maya-maya lunch time ulit. Is it the iPod too loud?
No.
Okay. Oops. Oops. Dangerous yung mga nag-i-stick out na ano, na mga thorns. Ano, ito mga scrubs yan, may mga tinik-tinik kasi to. Yan, matinik yan eh. Parang yung ano ng roses. Kaya kailangan ingat-ingat din. Kasi, oh, hindi nyo mamamalayan, puro gas-gas na kayo. Chario, step side. Ow! Andiyan ka na lang sa small lang. Yan, steady lang. Kasi mga ano to eh. Oh, shrubs. Ay, ganyan. Sis, dalawa. Yeah.
I mean, these are not spicy. It's Sunday, and it's Monday. So I want a Sunday, which is Sunday today, and I want a Monday.
You want what?
Dig this up.
Ayan. Hindi yata nila sinaraduan to. Ayan. Imagine mo kung ikaw may-ari niyang kalapad na.
Build Jollibee.
Na field. Sabi ng anak ko magbibuild daw ng Jollibee.
There we go.
Sige, bibili natin yan, magtayo tayong Jollibee. First customer mo ano? Baka. Mga cows. Aray! Ouch! That is sore. Hala ka. Excuse me?
No, but dirt is like, it's too creepy. It's too small. It's too small when you like touch photos or something.
Oh, ayun oh. May ano siya oh.
Well, there's no wound.
May sheep. Nakalabas na yung mga sheep.
Oh, hi sheep.
Ay, sila.
What's the phobia of animals?
Ah, diba? Kalabas sila. Tensya na, hindi ko ma-zoom.
Hello, Papa.
Si Sean the sheep.
Hello, sheep and Sean. No, Jerry, you can help me.
Ay, ito, medyo may malapit-lapit. Ah, yan sila. Kalabas na.
My
I
feet
can
are
hear
burning.
cars coming.
Are you going to, Mommy?
No,
I don't think so, because it will only take a few weeks and then
Jimmy.
it's gonna turn into gray again, so never mind.
Give me
6
some
weeks
Nautica.
at least.
Give me
Wait, are
some
you using
Nautica.
permanent?
I'm using the one that I buy.
Yeah, but
Give me-
it's permanent.
It's only good for 6 weeks.
Yeah, so that's semi-permanent.
And what is the permanent like?
Permanent is it lasts like really long.
Yeah, like
Semi-permanent,
5
it
months,
doesn't
6.
really like fully die. It only dies the outside,
Yeah,
and it lasts for a few weeks.
yeah. Like a month. Something.
Did you not know that?
So the one that I always buy, are they semi-permanent? They're
Well, you
not.
have to check which one's permanent and which one's semi.
Yeah. You wouldn't know
Permanent
which one.
literally like dies.
I think the one that you get it done in
Hey.
in the
Do I
salon,
get
they can last for
PS4?
3 months.
I don't know. But then the
You're
semi-permanent,
hot.
it only lasts for like
Why is
12
this-
weeks.
Why
6
did
weeks.
You almost touched my heart. My
It depends if you
earpod.
want to keep retouching it or not. But like the semi-permanent,
It's not good for your hair as well.
My feet are burnt.
yeah, but it doesn't damage your hair as much as permanent does. Though.
Well, it depends.
Semi-permanent only dies the outside. It doesn't actually. Get
I'm gonna vomit.
Oh,
At
really?
least no.
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 And then it got on my face, cheek.
It was so warm.
Now,
It got on my cheek.
andito na po kami.
I'm wanting.
Back sa aming bahay. Pauwi na. Tapos na ang mahigit 5 kilometers na walk. Nagrereklamo na to kasi pagod at gutom na daw sila. So, pag uwi magluluto muna ng tanghalian. What are we having for lunch? What are we having for lunch?
Chicken nuggets.
No, no.
I don't know.
Fried chicken. We're gonna cook fried chicken.
I remember,
Yes.
like, when we were doing Gaelic football, like, there's the weeds, like, we always go there and then, like,
Yan ang school
talk
ng mga
sometimes.
anak ko.
And then do something. And then they do
Walking
Gaelic
distance
football.
lang sa bahay namin.
You
So,
just have to check how much you like.
Check how much!
I will.
Or else I'll kick you. I'm gonna throw this. Perfect throw!
stop shouting.
I didn't shout. You shouted.
Step at the side.
There's the Oh, you never got me.
Yan na po. Nakikita nyo na ang aming bahay at pauwi na kami. At kami gutom na gutom after maglakad lumamot.
What are you doing here?
I'm gonna show you something.
What? Me?
Yeah.
Yay! Is there a surprise?
No, I just gonna have you to look at this one. Let's see. Ayan na po.
Is it a surprise?
It's not a surprise. Diba?
Is it something good for me to have?
Ayan na, nakabalik na kami.
Is it something good to
Mag-goodbye na muna kayo.
Bye, guys.
Tingin na dito. Mag-goodbye na kayo. You enjoy your walk. Jarius,
Bye-bye.
I look at the camera before you say goodbye. Ayan na. Sige. Ate, i-ano mo muna to at ako'y mag-goodbye. Sige po, andito na kami. Pahinga ng konti, magluluto ng lunch at kainan na. Sa susunod na naman po ulit, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Happy Sunday!